Hello, good morning everyone. It's me again. I'm back. It's Cliff Ray Habinas, and here we are at ACS Manufacturing Corporation for our latest updates for our CCTV installation and routing here at this facility. So let's go check it out. Excuse me, sir. Pwede magsamok-samok, sir. Can you explain lang, sir, what's happening karon, sir, sa kaning gadi right now?
Yung installing DVR. Oh.
What is a DVR man, sir?
Itong ano miski?
DVR is a digital video recorder.
What is it for, man, sir?
Para storage ni.
Storage for the gun, sir?
Storage for the yung CCTV.
What's our current one, sir? Status update for now, sir.
For configuration.
Configuration.
Wala man tay ang gula na HDMI wire po para ma-configure na tong system.
Para matest ang concern, no? Ang system.
All unit CCTV.
So there we have it. It's been a long day, but we managed to consolidate the wiring, install the DVR, install the switch, install the TV, and all that's left to do is to test the system, which we will do another day. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.